Hello everyone and welcome. I am sharing now with you a little morning stretch that you can do when you wake up. The first thing you do, you stay in bed. You stay in bed, you don't move out of the bed, you just grab your phone, put this video on, and that's it. So of course, like if you have someone sleeping next to you, get out of bed and go and find some space for you. But you can, if you want, do this little practice, do this little morning stretch in bed without getting up from your bed. So let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing I want you to do, if you're not already lying down, just lie down on your back and grab your knees. Pull them gently towards you. Cross your fingers over and just take a little side to side wiggle. Very gently, very nicely. I'll let go of your hands and place one hand over each knee. And keep that little wiggle. And now turn this little wiggle into a circle. So you're going to circle the knees from side back into your chest, over to the other side and up. Gently. Slowly if you want, or in a little bit more of a flowy motion. And it's completely okay that your hips are falling from one side to side. Just taking this time for yourself to lubricate those joints in your hip flexors, feeling that in your back, your lower back. Make sure that you keep your scapula rested into your bed or into your mat or whatever you're lying down on, and come to center. Find stillness, find a neutral position. Take a deep breath, open your arms to the side and let both of your knees fall to one side. Doesn't matter which side, just gonna come here towards you. And if you want, keep lifting your chest up into the sky, into the ceiling. And from here, look into the other side, yes? So away from your knees. Relax your chest now, melting the scapula into the surface beneath you. Feel that side twist. Gentle side twist. No forcing movement here, just let it go. Deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your nose. And inhale, bring your knees back to center gently. And from here, grab hold of your knees again, and you're gonna wiggle a little bit from side to side again. Gentle movements, small or big, it's totally up to you. And from here, going back into that circle, but now do it to the other side. And if you don't remember which side you did, you're gonna feel it as fast as you started. Muscles have muscle memory, so if it feels very familiar, you're like, oh wait, I already did this side. So you just choose the other side. Relax your feet. Relax your shoulders. Do one more round, one more circle. Coming back to center. Inhale, open those arms to the side and let your knees fall over to the other side. And feeling that side twist, opening up that chest. Let your shoulders and scapula be heavy. And if you want a deeper stretch, let's look into the other side, so away from the knees. Keep taking deep breaths in through your nose and out through your nose. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale, bringing those knees back to center. Grab hold of one knee with both hands and place one foot down into your mat or your bed. Make sure that the scapula is still underneath the surface. You're not lifting it, you're not hunching or crunching. You just let them be super heavy. Hold it there. Take one deep breath. Now activate the foot under you. Lift the toes up into the sky, but stay in that same placement. From here, you're gonna extend one leg all the way, pressing energy out through your heel. Keep that activation in your leg. Keep feeling that someone is pulling you from your hip, down through your leg, out through the heel, up through the toes, and hold it there. Activation. Now give your little leg a big hug, open one arm to the side, and together we're gonna fall over, gently over to one side, crossing over. If you have a pillow, you can place the pillow under your knee. I'm not pressing down into my legs, I'm not pressing down into my knee, I'm just holding this position. You can open the arms also out into the side if you want, both arms. Keep it here, keep that back twist. And if you want, look away from the knee. Feel the difference when you have one leg extended and one leg bent. And the difference of having two legs bent. Take one deep breath, inhale, exhale, and gently extend that bent leg under you. Come into a little X position. So you're gonna open up those legs, and you're gonna give me a little jiggle from side to side. And bring the legs together, through the feet, back into knees to chest. Hold it there. Now you're gonna switch side. We're gonna do one leg, bringing that other foot in to the mat. Relaxing those shoulders. Shoulders away from the ears. Long neutral spine. Activating one foot under you. It's a little flexion. Take a deep breath, inhale, and extend the lower leg. Again, energy from the hip all the way out through the knee, through the heel. Keep pressing, keep elongating, hold it there. And gently you're gonna give your leg a big hug, crossing over to the other side. Pillow under your knee. Gently placing your hand over your leg, not pressing down. And if you want, look away from the knee to that side. Deep breaths here. And take a deep breath, extend that bent leg, come over back to that little X. And now you're gonna, as though someone is grabbing hold of your hands, grabbing hold of your feet, press energy out through the heels, through the fingertips, hold it there for 3, for 2, and for 1, bringing the legs in together, bending the knees, bringing the legs back into your chest, and go back into that little wiggle. And find a neutral position, and we're just going to play a little bit with extension here. So we're going to open up one leg all the way down, and we're going to switch. Again, extension, and bring it back in. Energy out through the heels, from the hips, and switch. And if you feel that this is too fast for you, go slower. Find what works for you. You know your body best. You know what you're feeling right now when you wake up. Let's do a few more. One on each side. And coming back in. From here, you're going to place both feet into the mat or into your bed. And you're going to open up to a little butterfly pose. So opening up from the hip flexors out through your knees. Lifting the hands over your head and hold it there. Let your shoulders be super heavy. Feel that hip opener. It might feel very, very tight in the morning. Just send a lot of love and compassion into your hips right now. And just feel where they are. Let the knees become heavier and heavier. So drop that tension. Let it go. With the power of your mind, send some love and energy into those hips. And feel that they're becoming heavier. Knees are becoming heavier and heavier. Breathing deep breaths. By now you're probably feeling some type of release. Probably feeling that your knees are very, very heavy. So take one more deep breath, and on the exhale, just let go of the tension, let go of the legs, bring the arms back in. And from here, just come over to one side. Give yourself a gentle push to a seated position. And we're going to end it with a Sufi circle. So find a cross-legged position that works for you. No crazy lotus, just crossing those legs, putting the hands over your knees. Take a deep breath, inhale, and we're going to move slowly forward. And on the exhale, you're gonna round your back. Navel in to your spine. Again, inhale. Coming forward with your chest. Exhale, rounding that back. One more, inhale, coming over to the front. Exhale. So Sufi circle is an amazing way to get that blood flowing in your lower back, in your hips, in the glutes. It's blood circulation, blood pumping. Starting a little bit of a detox process here. Cleaning out those veins in your body. Do one more. And come to neutral position. Open the hands out to the side. Take a deep breath. Inhale, lift the hands up into the sky. Open in a big V position here. Keep bringing energy out through the fingertips. That lower those shoulders. Lift that gaze. Up, up, up. Open chest. Big open heart. Activated tummy here. Yes. Take a deep breath. Come out with your hands, palms to the screen. And we're gonna give us a little lift over to the side. So this is a lift. lifting up. Palms into the screen, lifting up through the fingertips. So I'm not letting go of the activation. I'm not coming down here. I'm still pressing down into the mat with my other arm. And from here, I'm lifting up. So it's two sides drawing you. One is drawing you into the mat. One is drawing you up, but you're not lifting. You're not over lifting. It's an extension. Open that chest. Open that heart. Keep lifting, keep pressing down through your sit bones. Take a deep breath, coming back to center. And now let's go over to the other side, pressing down the fingertips, palm facing the screen, lifting up, opening the chest, opening the heart. Let those shoulders go. There's an activation, pulling you up, pulling you down. And gently come back to center. Let go of your arms. And we're gonna do the Sufi circle to the other side. So we're gonna go side, all the way to the front, and come back. Take a deep breath, inhale, motion forward, exhale, motion back. Again, inhale, forward, and back. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, back. And you choose if you want to make them small, if you want to make them big, whatever works for you, whatever you need to do in order to get that blood going. Let's do one more round. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, back. Come to neutral position. Open those arms out. Lifting it up to the sky. Now press together those palms, crossing the fingers. Index fingers are gonna pull you up. Now we're gonna lift the shoulders all the way up into the ears. And exhale, let it go. One more, inhale, lift up. Exhale, let it go. One more, inhale, lift up. Exhale, let it go. Open up those palms, reach. Give me one more V position here. Super powerful pose. Keep pressing energy out through the fingertips. Lifting that gaze up, opening up that chest, opening up that heart. Long, long neutral spine. And let it go. Put one hand over your belly, the other hand over your heart. Send some love into your body. Set an intention for your day. Grab that energy that you have accumulated in your body now, that flow, ground it into your body. Feel the flow of energy. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale together. Exhale, let it go. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. One more, my friends. Inhale. And exhale, let it go. Let go of your hands. And I'm wishing you an amazing day. Dare to be you. Go out, seize the day. Have an amazing day.